Every year, millions of plastic bottles end up in landfills, creating mountains of waste that may take hundreds of years to disappear. These bottles are used for minutes, but their environmental impact lasts for generations, polluting land, air, and water systems worldwide.
A huge amount of plastic waste even reaches our oceans, harming marine life and disrupting entire ecosystems.
But what if these discarded bottles could be transformed into something useful, something wearable, something surprisingly valuable? It all begins at recycling facilities, where collected plastic bottles are transported and prepared for sorting and processing. Advanced machines separate bottles by color and type, ensuring only the right plastics move forward in the recycling journey.
Caps and labels are removed because they're made from different materials that must be separated for proper recycling.
The bottles are then thoroughly washed to remove dirt, glue, and any remaining impurities from their previous use.
Now clean and sorted, the bottles move along conveyor belts, ready for their transformation into something completely new. Next, powerful shredders break the bottles into tiny plastic flakes, dramatically changing their form and preparing them for the next step.
These flakes may look simple, but they are the foundation for creating high-quality recycled polyester fibers.
The flakes are washed again and dried carefully to ensure purity before entering the melting process. At high temperatures, the plastic melts into a thick liquid, glowing as it becomes ready to be reshaped. This molten plastic is pushed through tiny holes, forming long, thin fibers that will soon become textile material.
The fibers are stretched and strengthened, giving them the durability needed for use in clothing and fabrics. These fibers are then spun into yarn, creating strong threads that can be used in textile manufacturing.
Spools of recycled polyester yarn are produced, ready to be woven or knitted into fabric.
This material is known as recycled polyester, often called rPET, and it's becoming a key part of sustainable fashion.
Using industrial looms, the yarn is woven into fabric, transforming thread into a smooth textile surface.
The fabric takes shape, with texture and strength that closely matches traditional polyester made from virgin materials.
Next comes dyeing, where the fabric is colored using different shades to match fashion and design trends.
The dyed fabric is dried and finished, ensuring consistency, softness, and durability for final use. Quality control checks ensure the fabric meets standards before it's approved for clothing production.
Automated cutting machines shape the fabric into precise patterns for different types of garments.
Sewing machines stitch the pieces together quickly, turning fabric into wearable clothing items.
Finished t-shirts on hangers, clean studio lighting.
Incredibly, a simple plastic bottle has now become part of a stylish, functional piece of clothing.
Fashion brands are increasingly using recycled polyester to reduce their environmental footprint. In fact, it can take around 10 plastic bottles to produce just one t-shirt made from recycled polyester. Many brands proudly label their products, showing customers they are choosing more sustainable options.
Stacks of recycled clothing represent a shift toward more responsible and eco-friendly production methods.
Recycling polyester reduces waste, saves energy, and lowers the need for new raw materials from petroleum.
Some factories even use renewable energy, making the entire process even more environmentally friendly. Workers benefit too, as sustainable factories often provide safer and cleaner working environments. Consumers are becoming more aware, choosing products that align with their values and environmental concerns.
Cleaner oceans and reduced pollution show the powerful impact of recycling when done at a global scale.
The future of fashion is changing, driven by innovation, responsibility, and smarter use of resources.
So next time you see a plastic bottle, remember, It could become the clothes you wear tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.